We're going to discuss today are 5 of our favorite confessions from Vishrantwadi Confessions page.
I am like, so I was really mind blown by this confessions page because I had not seen it before Ramanujan brought it into my life. Thank you, Ramanujan.
You're
And
welcome.
I think everybody needs to know about these.
Yeah, man. Yeah, like this is almost, I wanted to put it out in the universe. 'Cause, there has to be a shout out to this page.
It's insane, and they're all like 8 years old. Okay, now like
Yeah,
it's been a
they're 8
while.
years old.
Everyone who has posted on this page is now married.
Yeah.
We actually did a little stalking.
As a normal है, ठीक है. मतलब किसी के बारे में लिखा है तो ये कौन है लड़की? जरा देखे तो.
हाँ, मतलब you know what is so special about her? You know like that.
जरा हम भी तो देखें. So we went through, we do our research, okay? So there are some 275 confessions on it, and we've come up with a list of our favorite ones. Okay.
Yeah, which have been like mind blowing. So
Yeah.
let's
start. Number 272.
Let me see. Oh yeah. I really love you, my life. Yes, even today I love you. I wish I
this
could have you back again.
He wishes he can't have her back again.
I wish I could
Acha, that's what.
have you back again. All what happened between us. Yes, I am responsible for that. Forgive me, please. I too acted fake to show you that I hate you and wanna take revenge. But believe me, you were the most precious thing I had. I still have your name saved as my life. I know you loved someone else, yet I tried to get you. I was wrong. Forgive me if you can. And keep smiling always.
एक मिनट बहुत कुछ हो रहा है यहाँ पे. एक I feel
I feel
first.
like, you know, if you guys have not seen our confession pages podcast, you guys should definitely
Yeah,
give it
you
a
should.
listen because like this was supposed to be a mini-sode for our tuition stories podcast, but I feel like this is very closely linked to our confession pages podcast where we went through different genres of confession.
actually,
okay?
that's true.
Like,
This is
and
one
I
of them.
feel like this feels like we are just making our way through every genre of confession. Like
My
this
God, this is Vadika Shakespeare.
is my life.
Hey, okay, I feel we need to first address the language and no, Soumya is not having a stroke while reading this. वो actually वैसा लिखा है dude.
Dude, I can't believe we used to write like this. Yeah, even I used to write like this.
I was going to say that मैं भी ऐसे type करता था.
I used to not write so many ZZs
I'm not going to
everywhere,
shit on
for
it.
sure.
I also have used like bloody acronyms and whatever
Hey,
short
you used to
forms.
write Fanine instead of Nine.
No, but till date my brother's
That'll be unforgivable.
no, my brother's name is Aniket. So till date his name on my phone is ANIK8.
8. Oh my god.
Yeah,
But at
it's
least
still
that
like
makes sense.
yeah.
Like, you know,
That I've just kept for kicks of it. But I used to type all that. Oh, you know how Gujus used to end? They used to like type che, like the number che. Fuck, the way I found this was insane. I thought someone sent me a virus or something because every sentence used to end with the number 6. I'm like, ek minute, are you wrong? Like, what is happening with your phone? Is the number 6 stuck or something?
Yeah,
like,
I did not
Arey,
know
che.
this. 270 mail. वाड़ी के बस स्टॉप पे.
Wait. ये मेल मतलब बंदे ने लिखा है ऐसा. They
हाँ,
have to
हाँ,
put.
just in case you did
Yeah.
not know what I meant by that.
So if you can put gender, like if you are a male or a female, and most people put age also, like 17, 19,
and
whatever.
you get to put whatever you want as who has written
Yeah,
this.
like one letter or whatever.
वाड़ी के बस स्टॉप पे इतने खूबसूरत लड़कियां आती है लेकिन सब स्कार्फ डालकर रुकती है और
I feel you, bro. हाँ.
अरे तूने लिखा है क्या ये जल्दी बोल.
No, dude. I was a very keen observer on Vadi confession as not contributor.
And used to watch people with scarves on. Anyway, सब स्कार्फ डालकर रुकती है और लड़कों को देखती भी नहीं है. Oh, I guess this. I like
Yeah,
two
now-
of them. I see every day. लेकिन कोई भी
Wait, does he
लड़की.
mean the person or the scarf?
I like two scarves.
Hey, man. It could be into fashion. I
No,
don't
but
know.
he did say लड़कियां आती है स्कार्फ डाल के रुकती है लड़कों को देखती भी नहीं है.
अच्छा.
So like I don't know understanding.
Yeah.
I like two of them. I see every day. लेकिन कोई भी लड़की जरा सा भी इधर उधर लड़कों के पास नहीं देखती. कुछ नजरों से सिग्नल मिला तभी तो अप्रोच करेंगे ना.
Hey man, you have high expectations in life.
So I request. Wait, let me finish.
Oh, there's more.
So there's a request also. So I request all girls at Vishrantwadi bus stop and also other bus stop near this locality to just have a look around and signal boys you like.
Yeah, no. Yeah, fuck no, bro.
You started on this side, na?
I'll tell you why. Because the scarf thing is a Pune-wide phenomenon. That's
Yeah,
what
which is fine. Like
I
at this
agree
point,
with that. I
and
didn't say I like whatever. I'm like I agree with the point that yeah, there are people who wear
I
scarves a lot in
think
Pune.
that if this is an observation you're making that everybody puts scarves on, I feel like it's little late for that. Also, now everyone has masks on. See, the thing is, you're never going to get out of this conundrum.
No.
That is what I'm trying to get at. So, signaling boys you like and stuff happens in Budwarpet. This is not how things work here. That is how things are. Okay.
Alright, next one. 233.
Male. People started one rumor that there are ghosts near that bridge on Tank Road. तो हमने भी डिसाइड किया एक दिन दोस्त को चूतिया बनाने के लिए. At night, told
Fair
him
enough.
कि उसकी फेव लड़की आई है वहाँ पास में दोस्तों के साथ. साला भाग कर आया घर से. उसे बोला वो अंदर गई नदी के साइड वाले बिल्डिंग्स की तरफ एंड वी टोल्ड वी बिजी सो गॉट गो. रात के 11-12 बजे गया वो बिल्डिंग्स की तरफ गया और वहाँ पे कोई नहीं था. हमने चुपके कांच के टुकड़े फेंकना शुरू किया एंड ऑल्सो ट्राई टू मेक क्रेजी साउंड्स. उसको कुछ समझा नहीं. वाइट कपड़े में पुराने झुमके बांध के उसको आग लगाकर फेंका उसके सामने. हा 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 हा. बेचारी के फटके हाथ में आ गई. निकल गया वहाँ से. दूसरे दिन पूछा तो बोल रहा यार दिखी मेरे को वो लेकिन लड़की लेकिन घर चली गई तो मैं निकल गया. हा हा. झूठ बोल के एटीट्यूड मार रहा था. मी एंड माई फ्रेंड स्टिल लाफ ऑन दैट इंसिडेंट एंड ही डज नॉट नो दिस स्टिल. इफ यू आर रीडिंग दिस सॉरी प्रमोद मेरे भाई, पर चुड़ैल के पीछे भागेगा तो चुड़ैल ही मिलेंगी ना. दिस एक्चुअली विश्रांतवाड़ी लिटरेरी सोसाइटी के लोग.
Fuck dude. ये कुछ सीखो. लड़को क्या कर रहे हो तुम?
चेतन भगत जी.
What the there's so much happening in this.
Oh my god. Hey,
Wow, dude.
I was on the edge of my seat from beginning
Beautiful.
to end. Right?
Beautiful. भाई ये मेरा फ्रेंड ग्रुप क्यों नहीं है ऐसा? Like मेरे को
Yeah, but
फोमो
this
हो
is
रहा
so
है.
much they did, white कपड़े में झुमके,
अरे, full-
आग थ्रो, मतलब such like
Special effects में
cinematic
ऐसा,
value.
हाँ, special effects में ऐसा मतलब full artistic जैसे घुस गया अरे कांच फेंक रहे भाई लौंडे पे क्यों? But
This poor Pramod dude. And this बेचारा like हाँ actually वो मिली मेरे को, but like वो घर चली गई,
but
मैं भी
you-
घर चला गया.
in all fairness I would have said the same thing कि नहीं भाई कुछ नहीं हुआ. I would not address it only for the rest of my
but
life.
yeah, I agree.
But I really like that वो लोग ने कपड़ा लिया उसमें झूमा
वही तो
उसको आग लगा.
झुमका and all they got for this.
अरे उसको आग भी लगा. Wasn't that झुमका enough? आग क्यों लगा?
अरे how they'll attract attention. Imagine he's walking and they just throw
By
it and he
throwing
never sees.
glasses.
That would be such a waste of all that cinematic value. Imagine.
Oh dude. But respect people. Respect.
And sorry Pramod.
Yeah.
That kind of sucks.
Feel bad for you bro. But
चुड़ैल के पीछे भागेगा तो
Yeah.
चुड़ैल ही मिलेगी.
that's a life lesson for everyone. Okay, next 232.
Male. Tanya, you are awesome. Super cute. Your eyes are the size of my two.
Wait, what? Your eyes are the size of. अच्छा मेरे दो आँख
My
मिला के
दो-
तेरा एक आँख बनता है.
Oh, she's a
हाँ नहीं
cyclops.
ठीक okay.
Got it.
Wow man, big face in.
And that makes you cute. You look similar to the actress in Zombieland. I saw you last year with your friend, but never tried to approach you. Now I see you daily and it feels good.
Wow,
I even spend time around you nowadays. You won't recognize me.
wow that's not a good thing to say online bro.
You won't recognize me. But now I am dating a gal and I love her a lot.
What? एक मिनट. क्या? Please continue.
But I still like you. You are one of my favorites. God bless you. I am. Let's see whether you recognize me or not.
एक मिनट कितना क्या चल रहा है यहाँ?
There used to be some girl in Vishrantwadi who had a clear problem on her hands.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm talking about the girlfriend of this guy right here.
Yeah. Okay, so he used to like someone and he used to stalk her also. And
Yeah, I don't know. Also, you just written Tanya, what's up and all. How do you know if it's you? Because some Tanya has commented, haha, Sri bad at recognizing. Oh, sorry.
Soumya, get in the mindset of a teenager.
I'm
Come
sorry,
on.
I'm sorry.
You're-
I'm Sri.
Wow, Tanya's taking it very chill at this point.
Yeah. Arey, but this was like validation, huh? Like, you know, someone used to write for you, like,
Oh, do you think
dating somebody else now, but I still like you. And
Do
you're
you-
like, oh.
But do you think it's the guy also like sort of trying to save his image, saying that, हाँ, I really like you, but मेरा भी है, पता है क्या मतलब?
Huh.
Could be.
You know what? Yes. Boys
Wow.
have egos big enough for that.
Vadi had something going on, dude, 8 years ago. कुछ तो
अरे
चल
उनका
था।
सीन कितना अच्छा था, but I feel like this was a very nice scene. Everyone knows everybody. Everybody knows what color scarf that girl wears. It's very nice. Good job.
Fantastic stuff. Okay, last one, 261, which is I feel personally my favorite.
261 मेल. आजकल जोशी वड़े वाले के वड़े इतने बकवास है. अंदर का आलू भी काला होता है. कभी कभी छी. एक तो इतना महंगा, एक तो चाटे क्लास के आजू बाजू दूसरा कोई है भी नहीं अच्छा. अपना दुकान बंद करो या वड़े अच्छे बनाओ.
भाई ये पॉलिटिशियन बन रहा है ये क्रांतिकारी बंदा है भाई, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया ये. पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पे ही इज रेजिंग रियल इश्यूज डूड. ही डजंट गिव अ फक अबाउट बाड़ी के बस स्टॉप पे लड़कियां बड़े टट्टी क्यों है बे.
चाटे क्लास के यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक वड़ा पाव मैन है. मुझे
मेरा
मेरे
दुख दर्द तुम
अच्छे
नहीं
वाले-
समझ रहे हो भाई. मैं क्लासेस करके मेरी एक ही इच्छा है कि अच्छा वड़ा पाव खाने मिले,
और
साला तुम वो भी नहीं कर सकते.
और उसमें काले आलू.
फक.
महंगा बहुत महंगा.
ये भाई ये दिल ऐसे दिल को छू के जाता है dude, ये सही है.
If you guys like these confessions and
Yes.
also particularly if you have been on the Vishrantwadi confessions page, you should revisit it because I'm sure you'll find more gems and you'll
Yeah.
remember a lot of things.
And actually drop us, if you do go through the page, tell us your favorite confessions of the page.
And if you like this, then you should definitely watch our podcast episode on Tuition Stories right here.
Yes. Also like, share and subscribe. We have new episodes out every Friday and small bits of content like this throughout the week.